Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And if you're watching this video, you want to know about the basic customer avatar template and how you can use that in your business. Now, watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you everything you need to know about customer avatars and how to get them implemented and working in businesses just like yours. Now, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching this kind of video, then you're a coach, consultant, business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer. And if that's true, then this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification because I've got hundreds of videos on getting and keeping customers and growing and funding a business. So this is going to be a game changer for you. Now, very quickly, who am I? Why am I qualified to talk to you about this? Well, my name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business nearly 17 years now, believe it or not. And during that time, I've had lots of ups and downs, highs and lows, and my businesses have generated many, many millions of pounds in sales. And during that time, I figured out something very, very special. And I've developed a methodology for using the internet to get clients called my Business Accelerator methodology. Now, this has taken me nearly 10 years before I got this figured out. And it helps you get cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from you again and again and again and again and again. And so this is going to be part of that, but do go and check out my other content to find out more how that all works. Now, the avatar. Why do you need one? Well, an avatar is basically your ideal customer. And so it's who you preferably would like to work with in your business. Now, a lot of business owners don't spend the time doing this. So the fact that you're actually looking for something like this gives me great hope that you're going to be successful in business. So good work. But most business owners don't do that. They'll work with anyone that's got a pulse or a checkbook, right? They'll literally work with anybody. And what that does is it means you're going to work with frustrating people that beat you up on price, don't pay you on time, just keep pushing and pushing and pushing to get more from you for the same money, right? That isn't what you need as a business owner. It's really, really important that we don't have that. And so I must say that the avatar is probably one of the most important things that I actually teach people on my Business Accelerator program, right? It actually really helps them get nailed in how they're going to get clients and the right clients, the ones that pay them and they want to work with. So that's what a customer avatar is. Now, different avatars hang out in different places. Your business might believe that you can work with anybody. Even if you can, you need to have different avatars. So you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different avatar templates. And if you want an avatar template, I've actually got one here and you can grab this for free in the description so you can print it off and fill this in and watch this. Now, the avatar is really, really important in your business. So I'm going to go through all the stuff that's on this basic avatar template and just talk to you now about how you need to get this working in your business, right? Now, imagine if you were McDonald's, right? Easy for everyone to understand. Don't shoot me if you don't like them. But it's quite an easy business to understand, right? Now, there's lots of different people, demographics and people that go into a McDonald's. And so think about me. I'm a 40-year-old man. If I go into McDonald's, I might go for one of the bigger burgers, right? I have a daughter who's 20 at the moment. And my daughter, Georgia, if she goes to McDonald's, she won't go there for a Big Mac. She'll go there for a McFlurry or a small burger or a wrap, something like that. She'll eat very differently to how I do. My partner, Katie, we've got a baby called Amelie, and so she may go to a McDonald's if she was in the town to have a coffee with a friend, right? The timings would be different. Georgia might go for lunch, Katie might go in the morning, I might go in the evening. And so we're all different avatars. We also hang out in different places on the internet. So I like Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. My daughter Georgia is more on Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok, right? So even if you have a business that can work with lots of people like McDonald's, what I want you to do is think about the last 10 customers you've had. Who are they? Who are the best ones out of those 10? And try and model this on that. Now, if you didn't have 10 customers because you've just started, then you're going to have a best guess. And then you're going to go back to this exercise at a later date And there is where you're going to really focus on getting this done again. So you might do this twice. So first consideration is gender, right? Male or female. Are they male or female? Now, you might, as I said, work with both, but you're going to do a separate avatar then. But maybe there's a certain gender that is going to be more likely to spend more money with you. That's important. Their age is important as well. So I want you to put them into a 10-year age range. Maybe that's 30 to 40 years old, right? Or 40 to 50. 40 to 50-year-olds generally have more disposable income. They can afford higher ticket items. What's their marital status next, right? So are they single, married, divorced? Married people generally have more money. Single people are more likely to go nightclubbing if you're a nightclub, right? So think about their marital status. And what's their location? Where do they live? Because different types of people live in different areas. Even London's broken up into totally different areas, very, very different people. And so you can consider who lives where and how they can that can impact your business. Now, what's their lifestyle? What do they like to do on the weekends and stuff like that? That's important. So note that down on your template here. Profession. What's their profession? What do they like to do? Like what is the profession that they have? What's their job? That's a consideration, right? Because different professions go on holiday in different places, do different things in the evenings and stuff like that. Income. If you're in Poundland, you don't want multimillionaires. Some multimillionaires do go to Poundland, but most don't, right? And so you want to get the income level that matches the type of product that you've got. Goals. What are they looking to achieve by buying your product and service, right? Stress-free, lots of different things that they're considering when buying it. What are their values? Are they looking to work with ethical companies and stuff like that? Fears, frustrations, and challenges. So what are their fears, their frustrations, and challenges? Maybe they're scared that they can't do that. So my business accelerator, my clients' fears is they're a technophobe. They can't do this marketing stuff. And so I have to convince them and show them that doesn't matter because I'll hold your hand, right? I'll coach you and mentor you at your pace to get the result. Your clients might be thinking something similar, right? Maybe they've been ripped off by someone else, so their fear is that you're going to rip them off. So you need to then maybe show reviews and stuff to give them more confidence. And what do they like and dislike outside of business, right? That's important. And what keeps them up at night? If you can think about that and you can talk about that in your marketing, then that's going to help you. What do they talk about at home? So at home we talk about activities for Amelie, our baby, who's 6 months old now. So we're talking about what activities that we can do with her. For example, she goes swimming and to gymnastics, tumble tots, right? And so we're looking at that sort of stuff. We're talking about holidays a lot. Where do we want to go on holiday? Our holidays previously have been really extravagant and fun, like Route 66. Now we've got to look at more family-friendly holidays with the baby. So we're looking at all-inclusive holidays where we can relax at the beach instead. This is a really good one. What books do they read? Right? What books do they read? Now, a lot of my audience has read a number of books. One would be Think and Grow Rich, because those are entrepreneurs that are looking to really expand and grow a business. Another one's Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Or maybe, cheap plug, they've read my book, Expert Mastery. If you want to grab a copy of this, I want to give you a free copy. Go and grab that in the description. So in the description is a link to grab your free copy of Expert Mastery. So do that while you're here. It's a winner. Now, magazines that they read. Do they read business magazines, web design magazines, interior design magazines? There's a magazine in every industry. Go on W. Smith's website and just have a look and just figure out what magazines. Magazines can dictate the wealth. So if they read Tatler magazine, for example, they're more likely to be a millionaire than any other magazine, really. Blogs and stuff that they do read. What blogs do they read? I target people that read entrepreneur.com, success.com and Forbes, because those are slightly more advanced business owners. Gurus they follow. I target people that like Tony Robbins, for example. You might, if you're in fitness, target people that like Joe Wicks or something like that. All of this stuff is really important, and the reason we go into the detail on these things is because with Facebook ads and YouTube ads and Google ads, you can actually target people that have read certain books, that read certain blogs, that do all this stuff. It's crazy, right? And that's the power of internet marketing. Conferences they attend, right? If you want to get people that spend money on their house, target people that go to the Ideal Home Show, right? That's going to be a great one. What stops them buying? Very important, what stops them buying. Now, what stops my clients buying is their belief. their belief that they're going to be able to do this internet marketing stuff. So I have to demonstrate that when you know how, when you've got an expert to help you, it's actually quite easy. It's actually quite easy to do this internet marketing stuff. But you need to follow a system. And I give them the recipe, the template, the business accelerator methodology so they understand that it's a lot easier, right? What else? Now, maybe their partner, right? Maybe they don't buy your product or service because the partner stops them. So maybe you need to have a discussion with the partner at the same time. How do they make decisions? Well, you want to get people that make decisions fast. Some people just drag it out. They need to see proposals. They need to think about it for a week. They need to get 10 other companies in. They're not the people you want to work with. Let everybody else work with them. You want to work with people that make fast decisions. Now, I've worked with people, CEOs in FTSE 100 companies, and the reason they're a CEO of a FTSE 100 company is because they make fast decisions. When I go in there and talk about a contract that's worth tens of thousands of pounds to me, you get a 10-minute meeting, they make a decision there and then. There's no proposals that need to go in. When you're dealing at that level, they make fast decisions, in or out. I do the same too. I have a property portfolio. All of those properties I bought on a first viewing within 10 minutes, right? I just know what I want. And if it fits, I'm just having a quick check to make sure it's right, then I buy. Same with cars and all these things. You need to be working and attracting fast action takers like me. And you need to be like that. You need to be a fast action taker to be successful in business. You're in or you're out. Don't be on the fence about stuff. Make more decisions, say yes more often, and figure stuff out. Right, that's really important, and you want to attract people like that. Now, also write down the objections to the sale. Might be price and stuff like that, and that's the last box there. Because if you do that, then that's going to help you cover those in your marketing. If you can cover the objections that they've got, you can talk about it prior to them raising it to you. So that ticks that out the box for you. So that's really, really important too. So look, I hope you found this useful. Don't go because I've got something very special I want to share. But while you're here, make sure you do like this video. Comment below. I'll actually put a link to a blog post as well below that is actually more detailed on this customer avatar stuff. So you can go and follow that. But look, seriously, if you are here, you're clearly looking to grow a business, right? And I want to give you an opportunity to have a chat with my team. So we've set aside a few very short, well, not short, very long actually, they're an hour long, consultation calls. And so on these consultation calls, we're going to figure out if we can help you with your internet marketing. So we're going to work out my 5-step process, the process that we cover in my book, Expert Mastery. And so on the call, we're going to map out where you're stuck and get you unstuck with this marketing stuff. And so it's an hour-long call, and it's going to really identify the weaknesses and problems that you've got in your business and help you resolve those. No charge for these calls at all, but we're very strict on the fact that you only book a call if you're serious about growing your business. So if you're just starting up, you're not ready to invest in your business and grow it, and you're just really thinking about it as an idea, you're not an action taker, this isn't for you. But do book a call if you're an action taker, you're serious about taking your business to 6 or 7 figures in the next few months. Now, on the call, at the end of the call, if we're a good fit to work together, we will give you an opportunity to enroll into our business accelerator. Now, for full transparency, not everybody will get offered that. And the reason I say that was because this lovely lady was on a call recently and she didn't get asked to enroll into the business accelerator and didn't get offered to work with us further and got quite upset about it. And it was really sad to see, but it was because she wasn't quite ready. So in that instance, we will just say, look, this is what you should be doing first. So you'll have a plan of what you need to do next in your business, which is going to be really, really useful. So if you do get the chance to enroll in the Business Accelerator, do invest in that and learn how to grow your business super, super fast. And I personally will be mentoring you on the Business Accelerator to take your business from where you are right now to 6, 7 figures and beyond, which I've done with hundreds of entrepreneurs like you. So I hope you found this useful. If you want to watch a longer video and find out a bit more about me, this video that's coming up here is basically going to go into my 5-step business accelerator methodology. It's an hour long, nothing for sale on it, lots of value, so go and check that out. If you didn't, go and grab my book, free copy of that. and in the description you've also got the link to your avatar template. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.